Hello there. I just wanted to show you how to quickly put step-down hop-ups for your void protection for gabled roof or something in iScaf where your deck levels are dropping down by ½ meter and you need to provide some sort of protection for the gap that results. So you can see that we've got a scaffold here that has a top working platform of 7 meters at this end and drops down each bay by ½ meter. And I'm just going to show you the fastest way using iScaf 11 to put step down brackets as hop-ups to fix the void protection. The hop-ups needed to be added to your module by iScaf, so that's part of your support package. So if you need to have them added into your modules and you have a current issue, then give us a call and we'll organise to get you updated to the latest version of iScaf and adjust your modules to include the required component. So just going to go into fast edit mode. So the shortcut for that is Control right click. And we know we're in fast edit mode because we have the square cursor. And I'm going to click on the highest bay and I'm going to add a side bracket or hop up to it, point on the edge that's dropping, and you'll see that it's added a hop up in here. So this is actually quite a small hop up. It's a half board hop up for this particular module. So I'm going to modify that by clicking on it with fast edit. And this is a list of all the hop-up types we have, so it's actually a no hop-up. And we have this new hop-up type called a one board step. Okay, so I've added that in to that module there. And the process can be repeated on a bay-by-bay basis here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a shortcut that iScaf 11 allows you to do. You just click on the hop-up in fast edit mode and you choose copy. And ask the bays to copy to. So this is a hop up west because of the base of the arrow. So I'm going to copy it to this bay, just clicking on each arrow. And when I finish doing my selection, I just right click and it's added the hop up to all of those elements. Okay, so just need to modify. So now it's a one board step on all of those. Okay, so if I press escape, normally save this as a 2D plan. Okay, and if we build this to 3D, you'll see the result. So I've got a face elevation across the front there. So just type in the build 3D command, or you could use the build 3D button up here on the ribbon. It'll prompt me if I want to save a backup of the drawing. No, but I do want to save these blocks so I can put on my printed layout later. Select the first bay, I'm just going to print it all. Okay, so it's built to 3D. We save as 3D. And we change the mode to a nice pretty shaded mode, which is accelerated in iScaf 11. And perspective mode, so it makes more sense to our head. And then we have a look at what it looks like. Now you can see the step ups providing void protection in iScaf 11.